guys, welcome back, and I'm going to show you the logo that I made for my new simulator game. So if you have watched the previous video, I just went over the UI, and here is all the layers. Don't worry, I'm going to show you guys the actual game in the studio soon, but I just wanted to go over these. So let's take a look at what I have created. So bug, this was me deciding the font. The font I'm using is something called Redfic Free. It's a pretty good font. You see, here is the basic layout in Arc, which has the swarm text arcs like so. Edit. So here is where I made most of the progress. This group right here, I'll show you guys all of these layers. They're very interesting to look at. For the layer style, right here it is a, well, I added a gradient overlay for this, but yeah, this color overlay with the mode on colors is basic tint. Works pretty well. I like it. Inner shadow, you can barely see it, but it's on the bottom. It's there, right here. Inner shadow, this one is important. This is a little white highlight. And let's go with the first couple layers. Okay, so this first shape layer here is very important. It gives it most of the look in the text. Second layer that goes on top, and so forth. So some brushing to add this little shine glow effect, but that is the bug text, swarm, some text. Alright, so right here is just a leaf connectors. These connect the leaf vectors like so, and the text goes right in between these designs. Okay, so right here is actually a vector design of one of the mobs in the game. The stem, see, and this is the plant's mouth, the creature's mouth. You see, many layers. Epic mob. Swarm. Here's the swarm text. So like a pinkish, orange, reddish hue. Not sure what color you would call this. I have no idea what color this is. Okay, editing. Here is with the two mob creatures added. Clean edit was supposed to be clean because clean means without the glow effect. So let me take those off real quick. I forgot to do this earlier. This is the clean logo. Let me copy this up and find this clean edit, because we have the official logo here. It looks like that is the glow effects. Clean logo is just this with all the extra glows and stuff. But anyways, clean edit, glowy edit, and here's just some finalizing touches, background, and here you see the presentation. And it looks pretty good. Let's say you're using this, let's say we're using this for watermark on a thumbnail. Let's go right here. You see that's pretty cool. So yeah, that is the logo right there. This is a short episode. Once again, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for part 3. That's probably going to come out tomorrow. So yeah, if you are enjoying this series and want me to continue documenting the progress and what happens, make sure you leave a like or even a comment as well. That would be appreciated because I do read them. So all that being said, I will catch you guys next time.